guys, Quinn and I are so excited to show you the December braid box video. The style for this month is a Christmas tree pull-through braid or a 2-strand pull-through braid, but before we get started, we wanted to show you what you get in the box. So the first thing you get is this green cane colon hair, and the next thing you get is...
You get some brown elastics.
Brown hair elastics.
You can see inside that you get a seam ripper.
Yep, to take out the elastics, huh?
Yes, and you get elastics.
Get the elastics. This is a good little kit.
And you get a topsy tail.
Yep, topsy tail tool. That's real important.
And you get a star clip because it goes on the top of your tree.
Yep, that's important.
Yes. And you get a red crocodile clip.
Yeah, because it's Christmassy. It goes like with the green hair, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. So a couple tips before we get started. Thanks, Gwen, for showing them. Before I start this style, I wanted to show you how I kind of prepped Gwen's hair. So what I actually did was divide the hair into 4 ponytails. I found that doing 4 ponytails worked best for this style. I tried 3, I tried 5, I tried 6, and I just like the 4. And the important thing with the top ponytail is to make sure that you set it back far enough on the head. You don't want it way up here. You want it started kind of right here so that the Christmas tree ends up being kind of on the back plane of the head. It's kind of flat, not curving around. And then the other thing, before you get started, I think it's easier to kind of take the hair and divide it into 4 equal parts and then either lay them out nicely on a table. I have them on the bookshelf here just so you can see them in the video. But take your time and kind of keep them neat before you get started, and that will help too. So, without further ado, should we get started?
Yeah.
All right, let's do it. To begin, divide the green hair into 4 equal parts and set aside. Then place the hair into 4 ponytails like shown. Next, insert a topsy tail under a small amount of hair just above the first elastic. Then take the first section of green hair and place it through the loop of the topsy tail. Gently pull the topsy tail through. Ensure the hair is pulled through evenly. Then cross the hair on itself. Next, divide the first ponytail into 2 sections and combine them with the green hair. Bring the sections around the second ponytail and then lift the second ponytail up out of the way. And secure it with a clip. While keeping the green hair on top, attach the sections from the first ponytail to the third ponytail with an elastic. Next, release the second ponytail. Then insert the topsy tail under a small amount of hair just above the elastic of the second ponytail. Take another bundle of green hair and insert it through the loop of the topsy tail. Then gently pull the topsy tail through. Make sure that the green hair is pulled through equally, and then cross the green hair on itself. Divide the second ponytail into 2 parts and add a section of green hair to each. Then lay these sections on each side of the third ponytail and lift the third ponytail up out of the way. Combine the sections from the second ponytail to the fourth ponytail with an elastic. Release the third ponytail, and then insert the topsy tail under a small amount of hair just above the elastic of the third ponytail. Place another bundle of green hair through the loop of the topsy tail and gently pull it through. Make sure that the green hair is pulled through equally, and then cross the green hair on itself. Divide the third ponytail into 2 parts and add a section of green hair to each. Lay these sections on each side of the fourth ponytail and lift the fourth ponytail up out of the way. Bind the sections from the third ponytail together with an elastic. Release the fourth ponytail. Insert the topsy tail under a small amount of hair just above the elastic of the fourth ponytail. One tip for this, pull down on the ponytail to help reveal the spot to insert the topsy tail through. Place the last bundle of green hair through the loop of the topsy tail and gently pull it through. Make sure that the green hair is pulled through equally. Cross the green hair on itself. Then divide the fourth ponytail into 2 parts and add a section of green hair to each. Then lay these sections on each side of the lower ponytail and lift the lower ponytail up out of the way. Combine the sections from the fourth ponytail together with an elastic. Now gently pull or pancake each section of the green hair. Take your time to shape the braid into a Christmas tree. This is done by pulling out each level of the braid more than the one above it. As you go, you can tuck the natural hair under the green hair. You can also spread the green hair over the natural hair as needed to better cover or conceal it. Next, separate out the green hair from the natural hair on the top ponytail. Divide the green hair into two parts, cross them over, and bring them around to the back. Then place an elastic right below the green hair, combining all the hair together into one ponytail. Finally, place the star on the top of the tree. And that's it, you're all done. And here's how to take it out. Remove the elastics with the seam ripper from the elastic tin kit. Then find and separate out each of the 4 bundles of green hair added in. Place a bobby pin or clip on each bundle and then gently pull them out. This will keep them neat and organized until the next time you make this style.